What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a thrifting haul slash like Amazon returns, finds,
goodies kind of thing for you guys today. So, found a lot of good things, a lot of high value things that I did not pay high value for. So, grab a snack, stay tuned, and let's get into it.
So the first bag I want to get into is actually something that I got from this place that we have here in the city that I live in, and it's called Black Fridays. And essentially what Black Fridays is an Amazon's return place. Like you they actually buy pallets from big retailers like Amazon and like local places like Walmart and Target, and all those returns, instead of destroying them, they will resell them for a lot less than what they were actually paid for. So this store has like different prices throughout the week. The most expensive you can get an item is $15. The cheapest you can get an item is $1. But usually I like to go on the $2 days, which is usually Wednesdays, because you know you can find some pretty good stuff. It's like treasure hunting, but without the danger. So the very first thing that I saw was actually these little Glade air fresheners. You can see them. I picked up 2 of these Glade air fresheners. These ones are lavender and peach blossom scented. At Target, these things cost like $5 a piece, like the lowest. You can maybe find these at the dollar store if you're lucky, but this specific brand, you're not gonna find Glade any cheaper than that. But I did happen to find them on $2 day, so I basically got 2 for the price of 1. The only issue is that they're broken on the top. But the thing is that the way that Glade makes their little air fresheners, you can do it from the bottom, or you can pop it open from the top as well. It might not give you as much scent as like opening it up the normal way, but I thought it was worth $2 because these things smell good. They smell absolutely amazing, and these things are hella expensive at Target and Walmart, so I bought them for my stockpile. So the next thing that I got was this scrunchie. It's like kind of like a princess scrunchie, but sparkly purple. And this is actually from the brand, I want to say Wild Fable from Target. And as much as those things at Target, that brand is cute, it is a little bit pricey. And I did happen to pick this one up. $2 was the original price, and I only paid $2 for it at my Amazon returns pickup store. So that's this, and I can't wait to like put it on and give like princess vibes. So cute. So the next thing that I got was a phone charger. This one is the Heyday brand. I looked it up online how much this one would be retail, and Target's selling them for $15 a pop. This one was actually brand new and unopened. If you can't see it, the seals aren't broken, so they're brand new, untouched, which it was probably just like sitting on the merchandise floor for too long and they had to get rid of some of their merchandise or something like that. But this is brand new. It's made for the iPhones and the iPads, and it's 3 feet long. I thought this was a steal because I always break my iPhone chargers. I run through them so much because I'm constantly on my phone. I'm constantly using it between school and work and like all these crazy things. So I had to go ahead and pick this up, save myself like $13 and a trip to the Apple store. And it's even a cute color. It's pink. It's cute. Okay, the next thing I got from the Amazon Returns Black Friday place is going to be this top. It's like a cute yellow, like crop top kind of thing. And the material is really stretchy. It's like maybe like a workout top if you wanted it to be a workout top. But my favorite thing about this return is that it's American Apparel. I don't know. Can you see it? It's American Apparel. American Apparel is so expensive. We don't have an American Apparel where I live, anywhere near where I live. Like maybe Dallas, but Dallas is still like 10 hours from where I'm at. And to buy something like this online is probably gonna cost you $30 because American Apparel is way too overpriced. They have quality clothes, but they're just not for a broke girl like me. So when I saw this, I had to pick it up. I had to add it to my closet because who doesn't want to get a steal like that? Okay, save like $30. The next thing that I got is also from American Apparel, and it's actually just a little gray like twisty tank top. It has like a little twist at the very front of it. Super cute, super simple. Just so you can see the tag. It's also American Apparel. Below. Also American Apparel. Super lightweight, super fun. The material super stretchy, feels really durable. There's nothing wrong with it. I guarantee you it was just not somebody's size. They ordered it on Amazon, probably returned it as it was, and it's just like that. It's unworn, no stains. Chef kiss. It was nice. It was a great steal. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna get into is my little Dollar Tree haul. I picked up quite a few things, nothing too crazy, but I did want to share them with you guys just so you can see what's new at the Dollar Tree. So the very first thing that I got was this moisturizing hand soap by Tom's. So this brand, Tom's, if you can see, you can find it at Sprouts. Honestly, it's pretty expensive because it is organic. They had a couple other scents there, like citrus. They had like kind of like a lime flavor. They had just like a normal moisturizing one that didn't really have a smell to it. They had a linen one, but I didn't like the linen one too much. It smelled kind of fake, I guess. That makes sense. But this one's just soft, gentle lavender. I love lavender on its own as it is, so this was perfect for me. The next things that I picked up were these 3 baby books. I got these books for my nephew for his Easter basket that's coming up here in a couple months. I wanted to go ahead and get him something that would help him out in his learning, which is also really fun. And he loves Sesame Street, he loves Elmo, and these were each $1. And the brand Bendon is actually a really popular like kids book publishing company, so I thought it was really neat that they had these there for only $1. And the pictures are so cute too. Like, look at Elmo, he's an astronaut and he's a safari guide and he plays soccer. My nephew plays soccer, so I thought it was super cute that I got him those. So I grabbed him 3 of those. And then I picked up these pens. They're like little bee pens. They have little like bee designs on them, like the honeycomb, just like the bee flying around, and just like different kind of bees. I picked these up just because I wanted some fun black pens because I was running out of my black pens. And honestly, when I take notes, I feel like sometimes they're better when the pens are fun and they're cool. But I don't know if that's just me because I have like ADHD, low-key, like untreated ADHD. I don't know, whatever the case is, but I picked these up because they were super cute. They were only $1 and there's 3 in the pack, so that's what I got. Next thing that I picked up were some scrunchies. They had several different options, but I got 3 of them. So I got these 3 right here, white. I got these 3 right here. They are kind of like mesh, velvety, I guess. These feel super quality. They're super stretchy too, and they're not gonna tug on my hair too much, so that's why I wanted them, because I need scrunchies that aren't gonna damage my hair, and they came in cute colors. Like this one's pink, this one's like a soft like mauve color, and this one's like a deep gray. Super cute. I love this texture, I love this fabric, and I had to pick them up to add to my little scrunchie collection. The next couple things I got were just kind of like household items, nothing crazy, but I still want to go ahead and share them with you. So I got this nail polish remover because I like to use those stick-on nail glue and glue things and stick on nails, and sometimes they don't come off correctly. So I wanted to pick up an inexpensive nail polish remover, and this is also strengthening as well. So I'm going to test that out, see if it works. And then I also got these command strips. Also, and command strips are hella expensive. I don't understand why they're like $8 for a pack of 4, but I needed to hang some things up, and these command strips came 2 for $1, so I grabbed one of those. And the very last thing that I got from the Dollar Tree was this little pencil thing, but I'm actually going to be using it as a trash can in my car because I always have like receipts and stuff that are like thrown everywhere in my vehicle, and I just need to like clean it up a little bit more. And it looks like a little trash can, and it'll fit in my cup holder where I usually throw them anyway. So I'm gonna take this and put it in my cup holder and see how that works. So the very last things that I got were actually things that I thrifted from Savers. I tried to keep the tag on some of them, but for the most part, oh no, I still have the tag, never mind. But I do have the tag so you guys can see how much they were, but they were crazy amazing finds. They were designer bags for cheapies. Like, I got this Michael Kors wallet, $12. Can you see it? $12. I also picked up this cute little like coin purse from Dooney and Burke. These little bags run almost $90 to $150 alone, and they're teeny tiny. They're small. This is small. This is like a little clutch. It was $6. $6. This little purse was $6, and it also has like the code inside of it. Because these designer bags always come with like authentication codes, just so you know they're real. And the inside is made with leather, like that's red leather. That's crazy. And I looked up to see how much like something like this would be, and it was definitely like $90. Crazy, on some crazy stuff. Okay, and the very last thing that I got on this little haul, I guess, is this 9 West backpack. Brand new, never been used, retails like $150. Got it for $10. $10 at Savers. Like, look how cute that is. It's pink, it's big. I'm one of those like backpack girls. I don't like purses, so this was perfect for me, and I was so happy to like be able to find all these things for so cheap, because I'm not really gonna ever spend $150 on a backpack. Like, are you kidding me? Like, that's never gonna happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Thank you so much for spending time with me. So go ahead and like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want to see more hauls or where you want to see more hauls from, and I'll catch you guys in another video.